thoughts right today for the 100th time to speak my mind, to scream out loud. But when I opened my mouth, no words came out, and I am still shaking. I'm Audilia. I'm originally from the Black Forest in Germany, and this is my first time over here in the Netherlands. So thank you for having me. I'm an indie musician, singer-songwriter, and mostly I produce everything on my own in a little studio in the middle of the woods. I've created, and yeah, over there I'm nearly playing every day piano and writing songs, and yeah, I already finished my first album. It's called Seasons, and you can get it in July. You couldn't stop and you would be bound by the spell on my lips, by the words that